was in POSHWASH, Mayfair, London. So I brought the Alfa in. She's in very good hands. It's her first ever wash. And I wasn't sure where to take it because she's been ceramic coated, but I have been told that POSHWASH is the best place to come to. So yeah, looking forward to sharing it with you all. Hope you enjoy the video. Peace. Guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. In today's video, you'll see I'm in a very, very special location. I am headed to POSHWASH. Whilst the car is getting washed, oh my goodness, how many nice cars are there in here. So for those of you who don't know, POSHWASH is where all of the YouTubers and supercar owners bring their cars, and there's just so many nice cars in here. I'm literally going to be walking past so many, and I will share a few of them with you, but if you'd like to see, there's always in a bath down here. Aston, the other Lambo. This one could use a posh wash, couldn't it? What is under there? Don't know. Oh, it's a Bentley. Oh, wow. These cars haven't been driven in ages. Another Ferrari. An S3. Bex, what do you think of the Porsche over there?
Can only see the bum of it.
You see as well, there's a lot of minis in here, so Mini Park Lane is down here. But yeah, so I was saying that this is, I think it's an NCP car park on Park Lane. I think we should do a meet here. What do you guys think? It'd be quite cool. There's so many nice cars, so many nice cars. It's nice of them to tape off this area for me for filming. Guys, if you're new to my videos, welcome. I'm JT124. I have owned a Bath 500s, 124 Spiders, and now the Alfa Romeo Quadrifoglio, which I'm still getting used to. It's just, I've only had it a month. That 1 month has flown by, but it's just been one of those weird times with COVID. Time's just flying by, it's mad. Anyways, check out a bit of the POSHWASH guys here. Yes guys, beautiful McLaren. Someone's had some fun with this Bentley. Almost matching Bentley here. A lovely Ferrari over there. Look at this gorgeous Porsche. Absolutely stunning. That's nice. Do you know what? This is actually a really cool place to come. Anyways, I cannot wait to share the results of the wash. Cannot wait. You can see she's getting done right now. Going round. And I'm gonna hopefully have a word with James, the manager of POSHWASH. I don't know if you can hear me over the vacuuming, but yeah, I'm quite excited. Like they're using Maguire's cleaning, which is quite good. Shout out to Maguire. Guys, look at that. She's looking fine. That booty. That is the shot. That is the money shot right there. Guys, thank you so much for watching. You know what to do. Give this a like, subscribe. It really, really helps me. Thank you so much for joining me on my journey. I've been JT. You guys, thank you so much. Peace. Good. Check the above. 695 Ferrari edition. Right. Let's do this. We'll see you on the next video, guys.